Dear student, today we will discuss the topic divisibility test from your chapter 3 factors and multiples. In this topic we will learn how to test a number is divisible by a given particular number. So discussion is about divisibility test by 2 first. A number I have to check is it divisible by 2 or not. The rule said a number is divisible by 2 if the digit at ones place of the number be either 0 or an even. This is the rule. In a given number you have to check ones place digit. If it is either 0 or even, then the number is divisible by 2. Suppose the number I am taking 348. So here one place digit is 8 and it is an even, so it is divisible by 2. Also let us take the number 700. Check the one place digit. Here 0. As the one place digit is 0, so this also divisible by 2. So these two numbers are divisible by 2. Now suppose I am taking the number 759. Okay. So here one place digit is 9. Is neither even nor it is a 0. So this number is not divisible by 2. This is example 1 and this is example 2. So here we get 348, 700, these are divisible by 2 because they have either even digit at one place or 0. But in the case here 9 at one place, so it is not divisible by 2. Now next, coming to divisibility by 3. How can we test a number is divisible by 3? The rule says if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. That means we have to find the sum of the digits present in the number. Suppose the number is 735. Now to test the number is divisible by 3 or not, we will find sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. That sum of the digit is 7 plus 3 plus 5, 7 plus 3 plus 5. If we find the sum, we are getting 15. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. But 15 is divisible, which is divisible by 3. So you can say 735 is divisible by 3. So this is the way we have to add all the digits present in the number, find the sum and test is it divisible by 3 or not. If it is divisible, then the number is divisible by 3, otherwise not. Now divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. What is the meaning? Suppose the number is 3424, 3424. Then we are getting a number 24 taking the last two digit. What is the number? 24 we are getting. Last two digit forms 24. Now 24, it is easy to check that 24 is divisible by 4, because 4 6 are 24, so 24 is divisible by 4. So in that case the number 3424 is divisible by 4. Therefore 3424, that is 3424, is divisible by 4. Now suppose the number is 7829. Is it divisible by 4? To test, take the last two digits from the number 29, which is not divisible by 4, because 29 does not come in the table of 4. So 29 is not divisible by 4. That's why 7829 is not divisible by 4. Okay. So in this way we can test the divisibility by 4. Now next, coming to the divisibility test by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones place digit is either 0 or 5. This is very easy to check a number is divisible by 5 or not. Just take the ones place digit. If it is either 0 or 5, then it is the whole number is divisible by 5. Example, 305, 305, 1 place digit is 5, divisible by 5. 7280, this number, 7280, 1 place digit is 0, so this number also divisible by 0. Again 525, 1 place digit is 5, so this number also divisible by 5. So these are all numbers divisible by 5. This type of numbers are divisible by 5. Now coming to the next test, divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. That means to check the number is divisible by 6 or not, we have to check the number is either divisible by 2 or 3 or not. Okay. Suppose I am taking a number 3251. Okay. Is it divisible by 2? First check. As its ones place digit is 1, is neither even nor 0, so the number is not divisible by 2. As the number is not divisible by 2, therefore this number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now suppose I am taking 1352, this number. I am taking 1352. Check. 1 place digit is 2. It is even, so it is divisible by 2. So the number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now we will test the number is divisible by 3 or not. For this we have to add all the digits of the number 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2. Let us find 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 2 11 is not divisible by 3. So we can say the number 1352 is not divisible by 6, because it is failure for 3. Now take the example number 3. Suppose the number is this one, 5832. Check. Here is the one place digit 2, so the number is divisible by 2. And if we find the sum of the digit, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 2 18, and 18 is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. So you get that 5832 is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so the number is divisible by 6. Only in that case the number will be divisible by 6, because it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So this is the method. Now the divisibility test by 8. Here is the rule. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Suppose I am taking 73,240, this number. So check the number formed by the last 3 digit. Here is the last 3 digit and we get 240. And 240 is divisible by 8. Check it. If we divide 240 by 8, 8 3 is 24, 0 0 0. So 30 is the result, and division is completed by 8. So 240 is divisible by 8. Therefore the number 73240 is divisible by 8. But suppose I am taking the number 23,412. What is the number formed by the last 3 digit? This one, 412. Let us check, is it divisible by 8 or not. 8 5 ja 40, 1 and then 2, 8 1 ja 8, dividing we get 4 as remainder. So 4 remains the remainder. In that case division is not completed. So 412 is not divisible by 8. Therefore the number 23,412, this number is not divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. So this is the method to check the divisible by 8. Next, divisibility by 9. If the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 9, the number is also divisible by 9. This rule is just similar to the divisibility rule of 3. Find the sum of all the digits of the number and check it is divisible by 9 or not. Let us suppose, example, the number is 32571, 32,571. This is the number. Now sum of the digits, find sum of the digits is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1. What do we get? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 17 plus 1 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So we get the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. Therefore the number, that means 32,571, is divisible by 9. So in this way we can check the number is divisible by 9 or not, just similar to divisibility rule of 3. Now divisibility by 10, this is most easiest to check the number is divisible by 10 or not. Just see, focus on the ones place digit. If it is 0, then only divisible by 10, either not. For example, 32500, 32,500, divisible by 10, because one place digit is here 0. Okay, just see the ones place digit of the number. If it is 0, then the number is divisible by 10, otherwise not. And last, divisibility test by 11. Here is the rule. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits of odd places from the right side and the sum of the digits at even places from the right side is either 0 or divisible by 11. What is the meaning? Suppose I am taking a number okay. So how many digits are there? Check first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there in the number. So there are certainly 8 places. Now find out, choose the odd places digit. Odd places digit means odd places digit from the right. Here the odd places digits here 7, 9, 8, 7. And even places digit, here 1, 3, 5, 0. First place, third place, fifth place, seventh place. So sum of the digits at odd places, this equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 0. We get 4 plus 5, 9. Okay, and sum of the digits at even places, this equal to second place, fourth place, sixth place, eighth place. 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7. Find 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 7, 31. Now we will find the difference between 31 and 9. So difference equal to 31 minus 9, and we get 22. And it is easy to check that 22 is divisible by 11. So the number, this one number, is divisible by 11. So 17385907, this number is divisible by 11. Okay, so these are the divisibility rule to check the number are divisible by either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Though I have not discussed about the divisibility rule of 7, but we can just divide the number by 7. If it is divisible, then it is divisible by 7. Now here I have taken an example question. Examine whether the following number is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9 or 11. Just a single number is given, this one. You have to check the number is divisible by 2 or 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 11. We have to test for these numbers. So first we will test for 2. Here is one place, that rule is one place digit we have to check. One place digit is 0, so the number is divisible by 2. So 518430 is divisible by 2. Now divisibility rule by 3, we have to find the sum of the all digits in the number. So let us find the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits of the number is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 0. What is the sum? 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 3 21 plus 0 21. So sum of the digits is 21 and 21 is divisible by 3. So the number, that means 518430 is divisible by 3. So the number become divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now we will go for the divisibility test by 4. So check the last two digit formed 30, and 30 is not divisible by 4. So this number is not divisible by 4 because last two digit forms 30 and it is not divisible by 4. So the number 518430 is not divisible by 4. Now test for 5. It is easy. One place digit is 0, so the number is divisible by 5. So 518430 is divisible by 5. To test the number is divisible by 6 or not, we have to recheck the divisibility by 2 and 3 both. So check the divisibility by 2 and 3 both. Here the number become divisible by 2 and also the number is divisible by 3. So as the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so the number is divisible by 6 also. So we will write that 518430, this number is divisible by 6. Now test for divisibility by here is given 9. So in that case we will check the sum of the digits of the number. We have already find the sum of the digits. And we get 21, but 21 is not divisible by 9, is not divisible by 9. So we can say the number, that is 518430, is not divisible by 9. Now last we have to check the number is divisible by 11 or not. Yes, 11 or not. So in the number 518430, we will find the sum of the digits at even place and sum of the digits odd place. Sum of the digits odd place, first place, third place, fifth place. and even places these 3. So sum of the digits at odd places equal to 5 plus 8 plus 3, and we get 5 plus 8 13 plus 3 16, and sum of the digits at even places, this equal to 1 plus 4 plus 0, that is 5. Now find the difference between these two. 16 minus 5, the difference become 11, and it is divisible by 11, is divisible by 11. So you can say the number 518430 is divisible by 11. So in this way we can check a given number is either divisible by another particular number or not. These are the some rules. Okay, this completes the topics. In next class we will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.